There are two workspaces we can use to add audio effects to our sound. Of course, the first one is the effect workspace, and over here you'll see that we have a folder for audio effects. Adding an effect to an audio track is as easy as adding it to a video track. We find the effect that we want and we drag and drop it to the audio track. So I'm going to do a pitch shift. So I go under time and pitch, and I take the pitch shifter and I drop it, of course, on the audio track. Then what you'll find underneath my effect control up here on the left, you can see my pitch shift special effect. And one of the easiest ways to start using an audio effect is to use the presets. So I'm going to go to Custom Setup, Edit. And so here are some more controls I can use to change the audio effect. And what I'm going to use is I'm going to use one of the presets, and I'm going to use Angry Gerbil. And this will make Darth Vader sound like Darth Gerbil.
Repeat your training. With our combined strength, we can end this destructive conflict and bring order to the galaxy.
That is super scary. Another workspace we can use to manipulate our audio is to use the audio workspace. When you select the audio workspace, what you'll find is on the right side of the screen you have the essential sound controls. What I can do in the audio workspace using the essential sounds is I can assign a certain tag to a type of audio. Here you have dialogue, music, special effects, and ambience. Let's see how I can make someone sound like they're talking on the phone. I select the clip I want to manipulate, and I'm going to tag it as dialogue. Underneath the dialogue, you have all sorts of controls and presets. So what I'm going to do is use the preset from the telephone. And what this is going to do, it's going to apply an EQ effect to the sound, and it's going to strip out all the bass of the sound. It's going to make it sound quite trebly. And when I play back the sound,
and I will complete your training with our combined strength.
Sounds like Darth Vader is calling Luke Skywalker to tell him he's his father. So those are the two workspaces we can use to affect the audio in our video. We can use the effect workspace, and we just drag and drop effects onto the audio track and then change the parameters in the effect control. And we can also use the essential sounds in the audio workspace. Let's take a look at some examples of using these two methods to change the audio in our video.
Boys, we have only begun to discover your power. Join me, and I will complete your training. With our combined strength, we can end this destructive conflict and bring order to the galaxy.
We can end this destructive conflict and bring order to the galaxy. I'll never join you. If you only knew the power of the dark side. I'll never join you. If you only knew the power of the dark side. Obi-Wan never told you what happened to your father. He told me enough. He told me enough. He told me you killed him. No. I am your father.